Boots off, Boga's on. It is as simple as that. Listen, we know there is no shortage of EVA clogs out there. So when we designed the Boga, we made sure it delivered everything you've come to expect from BOGS. And it didn't disappoint. The Boga has quickly become one of our best-selling styles. So let's break down what makes this clog stand out from the rest. For starters, we wanted to make sure this was not a throwaway shoe. So we designed the lugs in the bottom to be extra deep. This not only helps them hold up to extra wear and tear, but it also gives them better traction. And we didn't stop there. The adult version of the Boga has got these rubber traction pads, and that gives you even more grip and added durability. Now, while the Bogas aren't necessarily a recovery clog, we definitely had extra comfort in mind. That's why we included this removable EVA insole. So yes, this insole is removable for easy cleaning, but of course we do recommend keeping it in for your comfort and daily wear. Finally, the BOGS logo on the front actually acts as a subtle strap lock. So when you go from sport mode into chill mode, you can actually hear and feel the strap lock into place. So if you're looking for a more robust EVA clog that can handle way more than just chilling on the couch, look no further than the Boga.